Hey y'all, in today's video I'm going to be making scalloped potatoes. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. I'm going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So I'm going to start things off by peeling and cutting up the potatoes. After the potatoes have been peeled, you're going to begin making the sauce. So you're going to start by adding 1 cup of milk. You're going to add half a cup of heavy whipping cream and approximately a tablespoon of mayonnaise. I just do it by eye. You're going to add the spices, so some paprika, some seasoning salt, and some garlic salt. You're going to give that a quick stir. You're going to add a couple handfuls of cheddar cheese. After adding the cheese, you're going to let everything simmer and let that cheese melt. While your sauce is simmering, you're going to add your potatoes to a casserole dish. When your cheese sauce is ready, you're going to add it to the casserole dish with your potatoes. You're going to cover it with a layer of cheddar cheese. And you're going to finish it off with a thin layer of mozzarella. Once your oven is preheated, you're going to put it in the oven and bake it for an hour. After baking, you're going to let it sit for 15 minutes. For more videos, make sure to click one of these links. Thanks.